What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and today I have the Note 8, and I wanted to show you guys some slow-mo video that I recently was able to capture at an NFL game at the Carolina Panthers Miami Dolphins game. Now, there were some BMX riders out there from the BMX Stunt show, and they were jumping ramps, doing all kinds of tricks, and I was able to get some footage with the Note 8. So check out this footage, some slow-mo footage, some pictures. Sit back and enjoy and tell me what you guys think.
Go back and do that again.